Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Kiwi Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kiwibank.co.nz and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Kiwi Bank. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now within the access number section, type in the access number that you have been given while signing up and creating your account, and then type in your password underneath within the password box. After typing both of these credentials, click on the login to internet banking option at the bottom and this will log you into your Kiwi Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your access number or your password, you will find the respective buttons that you can click on in order to reset these credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Kiwi Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.